Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix not delivered Gmail. So first thing is just simply go to your Gmail application into your device. And now here on your Gmail, just simply select the hamburger icon on the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply scroll down to the very bottom and you should be able to see here settings and just simply tap on it. And from here, just simply go ahead and select your account from the list of account. From here, guys, just simply scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to see here sync Gmail. So make sure to turn this off. Just simply select it and you will have a warning that you are turning the sync Gmail off and press OK. And after that, just simply go ahead and restart your device. Just simply hold the power button into your device and just simply restart it. And once you have restarted your device, just simply go back to the Gmail application and just simply go to the three lines at the top left and go scroll down and go through the settings and just simply select your account and just simply scroll down and just simply sync the Gmail back in and you should be able to fix any issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.